Ladies and gentlemen, from the class of 2024, the Ateneo de Davao University honors as valedictorian John Paul D. Sapsal, summa cum laude.
Mr. John Paul D. Sapsal, summa cum laude, and class valedictorian will now give the message on behalf of the graduates.
To University President, Reverend Father Karel S. San Juan of the Society of Jesus, our Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Mr. Benjamin A. Lizada, our invited speaker and honorary degree recipient, Ms. Luz Viminda Calolet Ilagan, Davao Jesuit Community Rector, Reverend Father Antonio M. Basilio of the Society of Jesus, members of the Davao Jesuit Community, members of the Board of Trustees, Academic Vice President Dr. Gina L. Montalan, university administrators, school deans, faculty and staff, esteemed guests, proud parents and guardians, friends, and to my fellow graduates, Magus morning. How can our worst years become the best times of our lives? You all remember the infamous year 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic, the nationwide lockdowns, the rise of online education. They say college would be the best years of our lives, only for a global health crisis to take all of those chances away. We were branded as the pandemic batch, single-handedly equating our rich tapestry of stories to an unfortunate tragedy that has claimed both lives and dreams. In a period where even the odds of waking up tomorrow became uncertain, it was difficult to hope. But while the world ached in silence, it allowed us to ask the most important question. When we get stripped of our hard-earned riches, fame, honor, and even the tiniest bits of pleasure, what is it that truly matters? The worst times of our college lives gave us an obvious answer. Life. Life is the greatest gift of all. And just like gifts, it's meant to be shared. Our years in Ateneo have brought us through a journey worth a lifetime, shaping us to be strong in faith while touching the lives of others. We have journeyed with our very own selves, journeyed with society, journeyed with people we call family, and journeyed in search for the truth. First, we have journeyed with our very own selves. Throughout our Ateneo education, we've seen different sides of ourselves we never knew existed. Hindi na tayo katulad ng dati. Pagmamahal sa buhay ng ating huwarang pamantasan ang humubog sa ating pagkatao. To be loved, after all, is to be changed. The journey with oneself grants us the gift of self-discovery, allowing us to know ourselves on a deeper and more intimate level by internally reflecting how our formative experiences in Ateneo shape who we are. Similarly, it invites its people to never stop learning and to never stop growing with the guidance of the Spirit. Fellow graduates, the gift of self-discovery leaves us with a challenge to never lose sight of who we truly are. We are bound to lose ourselves when we forget our roots, our values, especially our history. Second, we have journeyed with the society. Unmatched leadership formation in Ateneo has inculcated in our state of being the value of cura personalis. We are religiously invited to recognize how belonging in a privileged generation, highly favored by history, could be a compelling agent for positive change. By being equally grateful for where life has brought us and being disturbed by how others are unfortunately deprived of the same privileges. We are therefore reminded not only to sit in conversations with those who live long enough to tell their stories of success, but to walk with the underprivileged living along the fringes of society, with our Mother Earth and all the living things that the Lord has beautifully made, with the women of our households and institutions, with the children whose dreams cannot take flight because of poverty, with our LGBTQIA+ members who continue to experience discrimination, with our jeepney drivers, with our OFWs and hard-working farmers, and with the victims of war and acts of violence in the world. Fellow graduates, our journey with society bequeaths us with a gift of compassion, enabling us to share in the suffering of others and to take it as our own. It leaves us with the challenge of being change makers in our respective fields. For our business graduates, to lead enterprises rooted in sustainable development to uplift economies. For our sciences, mathematics, and engineering graduates, to develop innovative solutions through research and development. And for our liberal arts graduates, to humanize our communities and to push for social equitable systems that preserve the rights of all. Third, we have journeyed with the people we call family. Ateneo has become a home where memories were shared, hearts were touched, and lives were changed. It's evident that the little things we share with others become memories standing the test of time. The journey with the people we call family gives us the gift of gratitude, recognizing that it was not just our hard work alone that brought us places, but also everyone who became firm foundations for the life we aspired to live. So today, we say thank you to our proud parents and guardians for patiently loving us and believing in our potentials. Thank you for being understanding even when we can't understand ourselves, for choosing to be kind even when we're cranky, and for laboring diligently to provide for our needs, even if it meant working more than 8 hours a day or traveling miles just to be here with us. Thank you for showing us that love can move mountains. Thank you to the university for the gift of excellent instruction and formation, to our professors, mentors, and advisors for nourishing not only our minds with lessons, but also shaping our character to be magus in all that we do. To our college barcadas, for the warmth of friendship through our ups and downs. To our clubs and organizations, for the endless opportunities of growing outside the four corners of the classroom. And to our loved ones, for supporting us from the sidelines. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Fourth, we have journeyed in search with the truth. As Ateneans, we're imbibed with the continuous mission of searching for the truth. We may not have the answers to all poetic questions of living, but we are faithfully reminded to find God's presence in all things. It bestows us the gift of discernment, constantly seeking His will wherever life may take us, and seeing His face reflected upon the people we walk with and the communities we serve. The Church's life and mission defines a journey that knows no limit and no deadline. Similar to how our journey never ends here in the halls of Ateneo. We may be confronted with worries and anxieties about what's next for us, but the gift of discernment reminds us to be strong in faith, enabling us, amidst the different voices present, to consciously listen to the inner callings of the Holy Spirit. We may never be fully prepared for what is yet to unfold tomorrow, but we will never be truly alone. For our Ateneo education has taught us that amidst our differences, we are one, journeying and discerning together. Fellow graduates, life is the greatest gift of all. And just like all gifts, it's meant to be shared. With the society, with the people we call family, with our own selves, all for the truth we relentlessly chase. May everything we do be life-giving, life-preserving, and life-saving. No matter where you come from, who you may be, or where life may take you, no one is so poor that he or she cannot give. Long live the pandemic batch of 2024. Lagit-lagi para sa Ateneo, para sa lipunan. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam.